Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I still think we're either going to go up and make a running flat wave C or an expanding flat wave C. Running flat would likely go up to one of these lower Fibonacci levels, making a lower high. A expanding flat would likely go up and make a higher high than these previous highs, probably all the way up to the 161 to the 178% Fibonacci extension. Either scenario, definitely still looking for a bullish uptrend on shorter time frames. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I still think this is a big running flat wave 2 that would make this right here a wave 1. I actually think this is like a WXY. It's kind of like a running flat WXY type scenario, but either way, I think it's a wave 2. I still think that this is an uptrend, and I still think on these higher time frames it is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows in this wave 3 of C. So, keeping all that in mind, let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the pound really does look like it's trying to top out with all these really indecisive candles up here. I mean, I still personally think this is a 1-2, and I think we're in a wave 3. Most wave 3s do go to the 161.8 Fibonacci extension, so I definitely think it is going to keep on going up. But I also think that we are probably due for a pullback in this wave 3 uptrend. So, taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, like I said, we've been very, very sideways, very, very corrective on the pound. I actually think it is more likely that it will probably go down, probably take out these lows. But I think it's actually going to be all part of a correction. It might even go down and take out these lows, and maybe this is like an irregular ABC correction to the wave 3 uptrend. Because to me, it does kind of look like this is 5 waves. It looks like this could be 3 waves, and it looks like it should continue the uptrend once that's complete. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I think it's more likely that it is going to go down, but it has not broken structure yet. So I still think that going short is a little bit on the dangerous side. I do think it is more likely that this will go down, and it possibly will go down and take out these lows right here. But when you are counter trend trading, you do have way better odds of being incorrect, and you do have way better odds of having losing trades. This is definitely pushing down, but it potentially could just go down a little bit, maybe break structure and just continue the uptrend, because we are still in a wave 3 on the much higher time frames. And trading with the trend is almost always going to be a way higher probability of having a winning trade. So I think it is going to go down. I think it is going to make a wave C. Just make sure that you're being careful, because it doesn't necessarily have to go all the way down and take out these lows. It could just make a little push down and then just keep on trending up. Looking for longs is definitely the best bet as of now. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live analysis and trading sessions, where I cover every single thing on this list right here every single day during these sessions. It also gives you access to all my swing/day trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website at fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.